In this video, I'll show you how to cash out from Exodus Wallet to real money in your bank account. First, it's important to understand that Exodus Wallet is a non-custodial wallet, so it can't send money directly to your bank. To cash out, you'll first move your crypto from Exodus to a centralized exchange or cash out service that supports bank withdrawals in your country. On your chosen exchange, create and verify your account, then find the deposit section for the coin you want to cash out. USDT, for example, BTCETH or USDT. Copy the deposit address and make sure you note the correct network. Now open Exodus, tap or click the same coin, and choose Send. Paste the exchange deposit address, double-check that the coin and network match, enter the amount you want to cash out, and confirm the transaction. Wait for the transfer to complete and show up in your exchange balance. Next, on the exchange, sell the crypto to fiat like USD or EUR, using a simple sell or spot trade. Once you have a fiat balance, go to withdraw/cash out. Add your bank account or local payment method, enter the amount, and confirm. After processing, the money will arrive in your bank, and you've successfully cashed out from Exodus. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.